Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to set a background in the Vivino app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu, as you can see. From here, we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon. Then we tap on settings, and here we tap on add background. And here we can select a picture from our gallery that will be used as a background. But first you have to give permission for the app to access these features. But yeah, that's basically how you do it. That's basically it. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.